You a fool for this. You a fool for this.
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Packing the mail, it's gone.
So first thing I'm doing is I'm detangling my hair. I detangled my hair prior to this video, but I just wanted to detangle some spots that I missed and just make sure it's all detangled. So now I'm taking my Eco Style gel, and I got this from the beauty supply stores right by my house. And I'm just going to start applying it to the perimeter of my hair and brushing it back to kind of get the sleek effect going. So once I'm finished applying the gel and brushing it through, I'm going to start to put my hair into a bun, making sure that everything is flat while I'm brushing and pulling it into the bun. So I purchased a bundle of curly hair from the beauty supply store. This is like 18 inches. I think it was like under $25. So I just got the curliest one, and now I'm going to wrap it around my bun and adjust it so you can't see the track, and so it looks nice and full. Then I'm going to take my scarf and just wrap it around the front of my hair and make sure the back is covered, and just let this sit for a little bit to kind of lay everything down and make sure it's in place for the day. So in this video, I only left it on for about 10 minutes because I had somewhere to be. But usually when I have more time, I leave it on for longer. The longer you leave the scarf on, the longer everything's gonna look in place and stay in place. So this is the final look of my tutorial. So this is just a quick, easy style when you wanna go out and your hair's not done. You don't feel like gluing your frontal down. This is just a quick little bun. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.